Hello, everyone. In this training session, we'll be covering how to configure the university screen inside the Onfinity system. Let's begin with the definition. A university, in this context, refers to either the educational institution from which an individual has obtained their academic qualifications, such as a degree, or the required level of university education necessary for eligibility in certain roles. In many organizations, hiring criteria may include candidates who have graduated from specific universities. For streamlined operations, it is important to pre-configure such universities inside the system. Once configured, you can easily select or reference these universities during relevant transactions. For our example, we will configure the following universities: Indian Institute of Technology Bombay and University of Delhi. For the configuration steps, you will log into the Onfinity system. To navigate, you will go to Menu, then to HR Management, then to General Setup, and then to University. To create a record, you will click New, enter the university details, and then click Save to save the record. For the use case execution, you will log into the system, navigate to HR Management via General Setup and University, click New Record, enter the university, and then save the records. Let's see how this works inside the system. This is the login screen, where you will log in using your unique credentials. You will enter the user ID and password, and then click Login. After a successful login, you will land on the home page. Here, widgets are visible, which will populate with data after transactions. You will then go to the menu, then to HR Management, then to General Setup, and then to University. In the University window, you will notice the organization field is auto-filled with the organization you are logged in as. In this case, it is Sonic Venture. If the configuration should apply to all organizations, you will set the organization field to a star. Next, you will enter the search key, a unique code used to identify the university. If you leave this blank, the system will auto-generate one. Now, you will enter the university name, for example, Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Bombay. In the country field, you will select the country where the university is located. If it is outside India, you will choose the correct country from the list. Once all details are entered, click Save. You will see the system has auto-generated the search key if one was not entered manually. To add the next university, you will repeat the process. You will create a new record, add the university name, change the country if required, and you click Save. That is how you can configure universities inside the Onfinity system. That concludes this session. Thank you for attending.